Hello everyone, welcome back to Samhita. We are watching a new lecture series on Samhitaadhyayan1. We have started with the topics of Introduction to Samhita. If you have not watched those videos, please do check it out from our YouTube channel Samhita. In the previous videos, we have started with the discussion of Tantra Yukti and we have seen what is the importance of Tantra Yukti, what are the benefits of understanding the Tantra Yukti, and we started with the description of individual Tantra Yuktis. In this video, we will be discussing on the rest of the Tantra Yuktis, starting with Uhya Tantra Yukti. Yad anirdishtam buddhya avagamyate tad uhyam. Uhyam nama yad anibatham granthe praඥaya tarkyatvena upatishyate. Uhyam nama yad apradibatham granthe swayam praඥaya tarkayitva yojyam. So it is something which is the logical interpretation of the given text for better understanding, that is considered to be Uhya Tantra Yukti. For example, Parisankyatam api yadya dravyam ayaukikam manyeta tattat apakarshayet. So it has been explained that there are different number of dravyas which are being explained, and also there is a liberty to the Vaidya. It has been explained that he can add or delete the medicines or the dravyas according to the conditions or according to the availability of the medicines. So Vaidya can exclude the medicines which are not suitable for a particular patient, and also he can add similar medicines which are appropriate for the patient but which are not mentioned in the textbook. So Parisankyatam only it has been mentioned, that is just a few examples of medicines are only been explained, and it is the logic of the Vaidya by which he can add the medicines or he can delete some of the drugs which are not available or which are not suitable. So such logical interpretation of something is considered to be Uhya Tantra Yukti. Next is Samuchaya. Idam cha iti samuchayaha. Samuchayo nama yad idam cha iti kritva vidhiyate. So grouping something which are similar is considered to be Samuchaya. Idam cha iti. That is idam and idam. This one and this one. This two has to be considered as a group, or this both are similar and they have to be considered as a group which are having the similar properties. So such grouping of similar qualities or similar things, that is considered to be Samuchaya. And one good way of understanding the Samuchaya is we can see that the term cha will be added, by which we can understand that all those things which are explained in that are important, or that cha refers to that each and everything which is been explained is having the importance. For example, Peyam, Vilepim, Akritam, Kritam Chiyusham, Rasam. So when telling about the Peyadi Krama, it has been explained that Peya, Vilepi, Akrita, Krita, Yushan, Rasa. So that term cha indicates that all these are having its own importance. Peya is important, Vilepi is important, then Krita Yusha Rasa and Krita Mamsa Rasa is important, as well as Akrita Yusha Rasa and Akrita Mamsa Rasa is important. So according to the Shuddhi what the person has got, that is whether it is Avara Shuddhi or Madhyama Shuddhi or Pravara Shuddhi, accordingly he has to consume this Peyadi Kramas, that is Peya, Vilepi, Akrita, Krita, Yusha and Mamsa Rasa. So each one of this is important. That is why it has been considered as Samuchaya. And also for another example, Mamsa Varge Ena Harinadeyo Lavatitira Sharangascha Pradhanani iti. So if we consider the Mamsa Varga, all those dravyas or all those mamsas which are coming under that is considered to be very important. There are different categories of mamsas explained, like birds are there, animals are there. In the animals itself, different types of animals are there. So all those are considered very important. That is why it is considered to be Samuchaya. They are having something peculiar in nature or something which are similar in nature, and that is why they are being grouped together, and each of them are having that importance. That is considered to be Samuchaya Tantra Yukti. Next is Nidarshana Tantra Yukti. Drishtanta Vyakti Nidarshanam. Nidarshanam nama Murkha Vidusham Buddhi Samya Vishayo Drishtantaha. Nidarshanam nama En Nirdashayudam Sukshmam apyartham swadharma sadrishyat spashtikaroti adarsha iva mukha vithum. So nidarshana is drishtanda. Giving some examples are considered to be nidarshana, and also these examples should be in a way that it will be easily understandable for both murkha as well as vidusha. Murkha vidusham buddhi samya vishayo drishtanda. Examples should be murkha vidusha buddhi samya. Something which is being described by the analogy of other things with the help of examples or with the comparison of something which is being explained, that is considered to be nidarshana tantrayukti. For example, Agnirvayuna Sahitaha Kakshe Vritthir Gachadi Tada Vada Pitta Kaphadushto Vrana iti. So as the grass will be kindled, or that grass will be getting fire by the help of Vayu, or that Agni will be getting increased by the Vayu, the same way the Vrana will be getting Dushti by Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So that examples or the similes by which easily understandable topics are being given, that is considered to be nidarshana. Or for both murkha as well as vitusha, that is easily understandable, that is considered to be nidarshana tantrayukti. Next is the nirvachana. Nishchitam vachanam nirvachanam. Nirvachanam nama pandita buddhigamyo drishtandaha. Nirvachanam nama nirnayartham vachanam niruktam. Nirvachana can be considered of two ways. That is, one is nishchitam vachanam, that is giving some definition is considered to be nirvachana. Also, pandita buddhigamyo drishtandaha. It is also explaining something with the help of drishtandas, but that drishtandas are understandable by only pandita buddhi. Murkha people are not able to understand such examples. Such type of explanation is considered to be nirvachana. So either giving a definition or quoting some examples or similes which are understandable by the pandita buddhi people, such things are considered to be nirvachana. A scientific illustration or definition is considered to be nirvachana. The examples can be seen. Ayurvidyate asmin anena va ayurvindati iti ayurvedaha. So this is the reference from Sushruta Samhita. It is explaining about the definition of Ayurveda. So something which is being defined, that is considered to be nirvachana. Also, Vivitham sarpati yato visarpastena satnitaha. This is the reference from Charaka Samhita. It is telling about the definition of visarpa. So it has been mentioned as a definition. Along with that, it has been used a simile there. That is, Vivitham sarpati, which moves around or which does the sarpana, that is considered to be visarpa. So using a simile, something which is being defined, which is being understandable by the Pandita Buddhi, that is considered to be nirvachana. That is one example from Charaka Samhita. Also, Nyayade nityagasyeva kalasya atyaya karanam. In the context of Swabhavo Paramavada, again in Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana, this reference has been mentioned. That is, as the time is moving, we are not able to see how the time is moving, or as the minute fractions it is being moving, we are not able to identify the transformation of the kala. The same way this Swabhava Paramavada is working, or this the dhadus are getting into the normal state. So such examples which are understandable by the Pandita Buddhi, that is considered to be nirvachana. So giving some definitions can be considered as a nirvachana. Also giving some definitions or giving some examples which are understandable by high intelligent people, that is also considered to be nirvachana. Whereas the examples or the similes which can be understandable by the murkha people also, or all the people, is in the same manner or very easy manner, that is considered to be nidarshana. Next is sanniyoga. Itam eva kartavyam iti niyogaha. Niyogo nama avashya anushteyataya vidhanam. Niyogo nama yo yasya anushtayaha. Something which has to be followed, that is considered to be niyoga. It should be followed. It has to be mandatorily followed. That is considered to be niyoga. Itam eva kartavyam. It has to be done like this, or it has to be followed. Avashya anushtayatya. It is very important to follow that. That is considered to be niyoga. So mandatory guidelines or directions which has to be followed is considered to be Sanniyoga or the Niyoga. For example, Pathyameva bhoktavyam iti. Patyaharas has to be followed. That is, Patyaharas has to be consumed. That is a mandated thing which is being explained, especially after certain procedures like Vamana karma or Virechana karma or any of the Shodhana karma. The Patyahara Sevana has to be followed. That is a mandate thing. If they are not following that, it will be leading to various kinds of complications. Same way, Ushnodakopachari Syat. After the Snehana karma, it has been mentioned the person has to follow this Ushnodaka Upachari. That has to be followed mandatorily, otherwise he will be ending up with the Sneha Vyapat or other complications will be obtained. The same way, even after all this Shodhana karmas also, there are certain rules and regulations which has been mentioned that has to be followed, otherwise he will be leading or ending up with the complications. So such things, such mandate rules and regulations or things which has to be followed, that is considered to be Niyoga. Next is the Vikalpana Tantra Yukti. It is almost opposite, or it is related with the Samuchaya Tantra Yukti. Idam va idam veti vikalpaha. Vikalpaha pakshikabhidanam. Vikalpo nama vividham kalpanam. Idam karyam idam va karyam. So Samuchaya, we have seen that it is a group of things which are having the similar qualities or similar properties, and all are having the importance, and all has to be considered as a group, that is considered to be Samuchaya. Here it is the Vikalpana. Here a set of things has been given and we have the option to choose something from that group of things. All those things are having the similar properties. Any one of that can be taken up, or anyone can be used, anyone can be chosen. There is a option for that. That is considered to be Vikalpana. Idam karyam idam va karyam. Idam or this one or that one. That option is there. That is considered to be Vikalpa. Rasodanaha sakrida yavagur va. Either Rasodana or Yavagu. Anyone can be utilized. Such options are there. That is considered to be Vikalpana. Or Sarodakam va atha Kushodakam va. Either Sarodaka or Kushotaka. Anyone can be utilized. So such options are there. That is considered to be Vikalpana. Next is Pratyutsara. Pratyutsaro nama upapatya paramata nivarana. Pratyutsaro nama yatra upapattim darshayantaha parasparamatani nivarayanti. So opinions of each others are refuted with scientific reasoning. So in the discussion, someone has told some opinion and the other person is objecting that particular thing with the scientific reasoning. That is considered to be Pratyutsara. For example, in the discussion of Purusha Utpatti or in the discussion of Rasa Utpatti, different acharyas have told different opinions. The first acharya will be telling his opinion. The second acharya will be refuting that opinion of the first one, and he will be telling that this is not like this because of this particular reason. So the previous acharyas or the other acharyas' opinion has been objected with the scientific reasoning. That is considered to be Pratyutsara. Next is Uddhara. Uddharo nama parapaksha dushanam krutva swapaksha uddharanam. Uddharo nama shastra arambha pratyakyanadi jaudyasya samadhanam. So previously we have seen it is just opining some person's opinion with the scientific reasoning. Here in Uddhara, we are opining the other people's opinion. We are giving justifications for that. Along with that, we are putting forth our statements with the proper justification. So not only the opinion of others is refuted, but our own opinion is supported with a scientific reasoning. For example, in the discussion of Purusha Utpatti, Yesham eva hi bhavanam sampat sanjanayet naram, tesham eva hi bhavanam vipad vyadhin udarayet. So it has been mentioned different acharyas have told different reasons or the factors for the Purusha Utpatti. So it is concluded that these all factors are responsible. If these all factors are present in the normal state, then it will be leading to the Purusha Utpatti. And if it is in the Vikrita Avastha, it will be leading to the Vyadhi formation. So the other's opinion has been objected or it has been refuted. Along with that, our opinion has been put forth with the scientific reasoning. So such things which are being explained in the Samhitas, that has to be understood by the Uddhara Tantrayukti. Last Tantrayukti explained in Charaka Samhita is the Sambhava Tantrayukti. Sambhavo nama yed asmin upapadyate sa tasya sambhavaha. Sambhavo nama upapattir yasmin upapadyate anupatishte. So the substratum or base for origin of anything is considered to be Sambhava, or the result of something, that is also considered to be Sambhava. So for example, mukhe piplu vyanka nilikadayaha sambhavanti ityati. So if the rakta dushti is occurring, it can lead to piplu, vyanka, etc. in the mukha. So that is the sambhava, that is the end result of something, or it is the sambhava, origin of something which is occurring because of certain reasons or the factors. So something which is being formed or something which is being originated, that is considered to be sambhava. Also, dushta rakta apagamanat sadyo raga rujam shamaha. If we are doing the rakta mokshana, we will be immediately getting relief from the raga and ruja, that is the discoloration as well as the pain will be getting relieved immediately by the rakta mokshana once the dushta rakta is being eliminated out. So that is also a sambhava, that is happening there, but something which is being occurred there because of this particular action what we have done. So something which is being originated or something which is the result of something, that is also considered to be Sambhava Tantrayukti. So moving with the conclusion of Tantrayukti, we have already seen that 32 Tantrayuktis are present in or explained in Sushruta Samhita, whereas in Charaka Samhita 36 Tantrayuktis has been explained. So the Prayojana, Pratyutsara, Uddhara and Sambhava Tantrayuktis are not explained in Sushruta Samhita. These are explained in Charaka Samhita and Ashtangahridayam. So this utility of Tantrayukti can be understood as Samyak vinihitaha shabda artha nyaya samhitaha. This can be utilized for better understanding of the meaning and concepts of the Samhitas, and also Vidhivat Veti Deepi Bhudastu Buddhiman. And this way, if we are understanding the concepts or understanding the textbook, then it will be helping in Deepi Bhuta, or it will be helping in the enlightening of the intelligent people. And also such physicians become Pujarha and Bishop Sreshta. They become very excellent and also they will become very famous, etc. So by understanding the Tantrayuktis, we will be able to understand the Samhitas properly. Also in the starting, we have seen that it helps in the Prakashana as well as the Prabodhana. Also Vakya Yojana and Artha Yojana will be attained by the proper understanding of the Tantrayukti. So if we know the Tantrayukti, we will be able to properly join the words, or we will be properly able to understand what is the meaning of the shlokas or that context. We will be able to refer the various sthanas or various chapters in order to get the proper meaning of that. So such a way we will be able to understand the full matter which is being mentioned in the Samhitas, and we will be getting a proper knowledge of the Samhitas. Thus, we covered the topic of Tantrayukti. We have seen what is Tantrayukti, what is the importance of understanding Tantrayukti, and we have discussed the individual Tantrayuktis with its lakshanas and few examples. If you find these videos helpful, please do subscribe our YouTube channel Ayurveda and enable the bell button for more updates. Keep watching. Thank you for the support. Have a nice day.